streets are filled with music. I caught a foot-tapping performance by local band Jacob's Pillow.
All day long, performers are out on the streets trying to entice people to their evening shows.
This is the way I work, unfortunately. People just like to make fun of me. I don't know why.
Everything from edgy theater to classical opera is on offer. It's a modern-day medieval street fair, colorful, imaginative, and bizarre.
The Royal Mile is the main street through Edinburgh's Old Town, and during the festival, it's the single most exciting avenue in the world. As the Scots would say when they're exhausted, I'm Guy Wabbit, and it's time I was away in my pet.